The company roots go much farther back than 1987, but that's really when we were domiciled in 1987 in Red Cloud, Nebraska. So really based an ag-based community, and that's kind of what we started out as. What we looked like 30 years ago is not what we are today, and it's not what we're going to be in 20 years. You know, when we're in 38 different communities now, Grand Island I think was the 7th location we had in 2007. We felt strongly we needed a home base. We've relocated our corporate headquarters to Grand Island. Obviously built a brand new facility in the last couple years to house our people. And that was a commitment when we started out the journey 5-6 years ago and started visioning, you know, what this could turn into. You know, we thought physically being in a bigger location mattered to be able to attract quality talent. A piece of it, you know, for me is wanting that physical location, you know, here in Grand Island and in a community that I think really embraced us and what we were trying to do. And we want to have a physical presence. When you come into Grand Island, you know this is where GTA is at. We have expertise in a wide range of fields, you know, whether it's in the ag space, whether it's in the group health insurance space, whether it's in the commercial insurance space. You know, we have a slogan, protect your legacy. I mean, that's really what we try to talk a lot about with our sales teams. Is it's not about selling a product, it's really about understanding whether it's a business, whether it's an individual, whether it's a crop, you know, what do they need, not what do we want to sell them? And what can we do for the client? And every one of them is different. You know, what one person needs versus another one is different. You know, everybody's life situations are different. And so we try to take that, you know, and look at each individual situations and tailor a program specifically to those situations. And I would say success breeds success. I think people want to relate to what they see and the success that people have had. You know, we've been able to attract a lot of good talent by doing that. And I think we're very open, you know, to that process and excited about, you know, bringing great people into our organization that continue to mold our culture and who we are. So we have encouraged across all of our agencies of getting involved in the community, whether that's serving on nonprofit boards, you know, giving back to the community in certain individual ways, coaching sports teams. We have a lot of different scenarios of that across the spectrum, but you know, we want to be visible in the community. We've encouraged in the past, have had a lot of top 35 under 35 honorees within the chamber. That's something that's important to us. You know, that people continue to advance not only their careers with us, but just careers in general and what they can do in the community. You know, I think for the long-term growth of what we've got going, but also be able to support our 38 locations across the state, and that's going to continue to expand. And so having somewhere that we can grow with, you know, was important to what we're doing. So couldn't be more excited about what the last 30 years has turned into, and really what the next 30 years will bring.